In this lesson, we will learn how to store and transfer your files through Crust apps. This lesson will help you complete the last question of the quiz. The Step 1. Locate Crust apps. Search for Crust Network on the web and find our official website. Click Maxwell, Crust apps. If you are connected to the Crust Maxwell apps, you need to switch to Crust Mainnet apps. The orange-themed apps are the Crust Mainnet apps. Step 2. Create a Crust Mainnet account. Click Accounts and select Add Account. Please remember your mnemonic, and then click Next. Set your username and password. Click Save, and your JSON file will be downloaded automatically. Here you can see your account and your CRU balance. Step 3. Make sure you have CRU for placing orders. You can see your balance on your accounts page. You can ask your friends for CRU, and click on your avatar to copy your Crust address. Another way, you can buy ERC20 CRUs through Uniswap or centralized exchange. Select the document, wiki page of the official website and find CRU claims. This guideline can help you convert the CRU on ERC20 to the Crust chain. Step 4. Locate storage order page. Select Storage Market in the menu. If you have an IPFS desktop locally, you can select IPFS user. Run your IPFS desktop, select Files, Import, and you can upload your files. If you don't have IPFS desktop, we have deployed a more convenient gateway to upload files directly on the web. After the mainnet goes live, we will continue to optimize products and cooperate with other ecosystems to allow users to experience more convenient storage methods. Step 5. Place a storage order. If you don't have IPFS desktop locally, select Storage Market, Storage User. There are two gateways to choose from. This video uses Deco Gateway as a demonstration. Click Upload File and select the file you want to upload. It is recommended to choose a file below 10 MB to facilitate your experience. Enter the password and click Sign and Upload. This is the page for payment. Early network storage costs are very low, but you must have a CRU balance to place the order. If the order is successfully placed, you will see the green hint, Order in block. This is your file upload list. The order you just placed will show pending, and you need to wait for a while. After a period of time, your order will show success, and you can see the expiration time of your file in the network, and the number of copies in the entire network. At this time, click the file CID of this order to copy it. The last question of the quiz requires you to fill in your order CID. Step 6. Download or transfer your file. Find the storage user page. Find the file you want to share. Click the button and the system will automatically copy the link. You can open the file directly in the browser. If the file type cannot be read by the browser, it will be automatically downloaded to your device. We are still optimizing the download function, and there will be a dedicated download button in the future.